Let's make some noise and welcome to the stage, Frank and Bree!
Hey, every monkey! Bree and I are so excited to welcome you to this year's Creative Fest.
We have lots of fun spread across all the maps for you today as we celebrate all the amazing creators who help make Gorilla Tag such an amazing place.
That's right, it's your creativity and passion that make our jobs so much fun. And to thank you all for everything you do, Hey, Bree, what is this?
I thought you knew? It wasn't there during rehearsal.
Well, if it wasn't you and it wasn't me, then, who? Beans!
Hey, boss. Glad you remember my name. I thought you'd forgotten all about me. You and Bree put all this Creative Fest stuff together without me. You put all the photo booths around the map with all the different creators.
Of course, because we're celebrating our creators.
Aha! But then you added a Frank photo booth and a Bree photo booth. But where is the Beans photo booth?
Beans, come on, you get plenty of attention.
Not this time, boss. First is no stick, then it's no ice cream, and now it's no photo booth. I say no more.
Beans, even if we wanted to, it's too late. We already set everything up.
Oh, don't worry. I took care of it myself. Okay, Eduardo, pull the lever. Welcome to Beans Fest.
Beans, today is about the creators.
Yeah. How about Beans Fest Creative Fest? Or maybe Creative Fest featuring Beans? Oh, how about Beans Fantastic Creative Fest? Or
if you really wanted to help us, you could put that thing away and make sure everybody knows what to...
Sorry, boss. I gotta go make sure all the signs are fixed. It's called branding.
Oh, here it comes.
For Beans!
Okay, everyone, while we go make sure Beans doesn't cause anyone trouble, you all go enjoy Creator Fest. Take photos at all 9 booths to collect your digital swag bag, and don't forget to post your photos with the hashtag GTCreatorFest. Have fun, and thanks again.
Oh, when I get my hands on that monkey!